Learning with Numbers, the Daily Dance of Digits. Hello, learners. Welcome to another episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle cardinal numbers, specifically numbers 1 to 10 and their uses in everyday life. So, let's dive right in and uncover the magic of numbers. Numbers are an essential part of our everyday lives. Whether we're shopping at the grocery store, checking the time, or even setting the alarm clock, numbers are there. Let's understand how we use numbers from 1 to 10 in real-life situations. One of the most common ways we use numbers is for counting and quantifying. When you're at a restaurant, you might say, "I want 2 coffees, please." Or when you're at school, your teacher may ask, "How many students are present today?" You'll count and respond, maybe with a number between 1 and 10. Remember, when counting objects or people, you're using cardinal numbers. Numbers are also fundamental when talking about time and dates. In telling time, we often use numbers 1 to 12, but for this video, let's focus on 1 to 10. For example, when someone asks you, "What's the time?" you might respond, "It's 8 o'clock. Dates are also expressed with numbers. You might say, "My birthday is on September 9th. Another important use of numbers is for ordering and positioning. This could be as simple as numbering the pages of your notebook, stating your position in a queue, "I am the 3rd person in line," or determining the sequence of actions. First, I will read. Then, I will write. In conclusion, numbers from 1 to 10, our cardinal numbers, play a vital role in our daily life. They help us count, tell the time, order things, and so much more. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to incorporate the use of numbers in your day-to-day conversations. That's it for today. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more exciting topics in our English language learning series. Happy learning!